Hey there, guys. Chet here. Everyone tells you that you need to buy expensive external software to run your email marketing. That's a lie. The truth is that you can build and send beautiful email campaigns right inside of your current CRM. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up your first Pipedrive campaign so that you can keep everything in one central place. Now, you'll need a Pipedrive account in order to follow along. So if you have not set one up yet, I've got a special link right down there in the description. If you click on that link, you get a 30-day free trial with all the features unlocked instead of the usual 14 days. And if you decide to keep using it after the trial, the discount will be applied automatically when you sign up through my link. That means that you'll be using the same powerful pipe drive for less than what everyone else pays. And by the way, if you want to master this tool completely, we've also put together a full pipe drive course that goes from A to Z, walking you through everything step by step, totally free. So to start your first email campaign, log into your Pipedrive account. On the left side, you'll see a sidebar with all the main tools. Click on the three dots in this sidebar, then select Campaigns. This will open the email marketing section, which is built right into Pipedrive. This lets you manage your email campaigns without even leaving the CRM. Now, once you're inside the campaign's dashboard, click on Plus Email Campaign to start setting up a new email campaign. After clicking, you'll be taken to the next page where you have to provide the required detail. Once you are on this page, then first enter the title of your email campaign. Choosing a clear title helps you easily find this specific message later when you want to review your past performance. After that, begin with the To section and make sure that your contacts are marked as subscribed because only subscribed contacts can receive email marketing. Now, this is very important for keeping a good sender reputation. If needed, click on Go to Contacts and update the marketing status of your contacts to subscribed, and then return to the campaign setup page. Sending emails only to people who want them ensures your messages actually get read instead of going straight into the spam folder. After that, move to the From section and click on the Add Sender button. This part is very flexible because you can add multiple sender info here. It is always best to use your professional business email to build instant trust with your leads. Now, once you've entered your sender email, scroll down to the security section and enable two-factor authentication 2FA if it is not already active, as this is required to send marketing campaigns. This simple step keeps all of your customer data totally safe. Then, continue to the subject section and enter a clear, engaging subject that explains what the email is about. A strong subject line makes people want to open your message. Then personalize the content using merge tags so that each recipient sees their own details, such as their first name. Using their real name makes your email feel much more friendly and personal. Additionally, fill in the preview text optional field to give recipients a short summary, which will appear in their inbox. This gives them another great reason to read what you sent. After setting the subject, move to the email content section. This is where you will see options like Create New, Your Template, and HTML Editor. Choose the option of how you want to create your email. If you want to design from scratch, click on Create New and use the drag and drop builder. Alternatively, choose templates if you already have a saved template, or select HTML editor if you prefer to paste custom HTML code. Pipedrive gives you plenty of choices to match your skill level. For this tutorial, we'll create from scratch and click on the Create New option. Here you can either choose a ready-made template or start from scratch using that drag and drop builder. Starting with a template is a great way to save time. So for this tutorial, we'll use a template and select the letter Simple template. This layout is very clean and easy for your clients to read. After that, you'll be taken inside of your editor. Once there, design your email by adding text, images, buttons, and other elements as needed. You can easily customize the layout to match your own business style. Once you have done this and made the necessary changes inside the editor, click the Save and Close button at the top right of the editor and return automatically to the main campaign page. When you return to the campaigns page, you see your newly created design. Now, if you want to make some necessary changes, then click the Edit button and you'll be taken to the editor page again. Here you can also send a test email to yourself. If you want to send a test email, click the Send Test Email button. Pretty simple, right? Checking the email on your own phone first helps you catch any small mistakes. Next, scroll down to the Sending Time section and choose whether to send immediately or schedule for a specific time. If scheduling, select the exact date and time that you want the campaign to be delivered. This lets you plan your marketing ahead of time. Then move to the engagement section and enable email tracking to monitor email opens. Also, turn on track clicking links in emails to measure link performance. Knowing what your leads click helps you write better emails in the future. Additionally, enable send in app notifications if you want to receive alerts about engagement activity. And then finally, review all of the details carefully. And once everything is complete, click the send option to send it successfully. Just like that, your first email campaign is ready to go. You can now reach out to your leads without even leaving your CRM. This simple process will save you a ton of time. Also, don't forget to click that special link in the description to grab that 30-day extended free trial of Pipedrive. It really is the only way to get a full month instead of 14 days for free. And if you want to be a true Pipedrive expert, also grab that A to Z Pipedrive course while you're there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.